Hello everyone, welcome to Yashaswi Vaani YouTube channel. Hello my dear children, my students and all dear parents. So here is some exciting news, exciting announcement that is going to happen today. It's very excited for me to share that information, share that news with you all. And after hearing the same thing, even I think you will be the same excited as I am. Before sharing that excitement announcement, first I would like to thank each and every student and parents who have supported, who have showed your love and poured your love, your kind words, your comments, your messages, email to me every day. That has made my day and brought this channel, Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel, to this level. I really am so happy to receive all those humble words and humble messages, comments from you all. There was a little delay for every reply, for your replies that I didn't give it to you on the time. There were so many students who were waiting for my warm wishes or blessings for their exams. I'm sorry that I couldn't message you all on time, but anytime remember my warm wishes and my heartly blessing will be with you forever and always. Having said that, and there are a few more things, this video will be a little more lengthy before announcing the excitement news. So do not go to the end. So just wait for a little time, listen to all those things, then you can get to know the excitement, the announcement that I'm going to share with you all. Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. As you all know, this channel was started to help the children, students and the parents who are basically a non-Kannada speakers and are struggling with their Kannada languages in Karnataka to understand and to write and read, which had become very difficult for them. So this channel was completely dedicated to them, where I was teaching Kannada in English. And also I should not stop here by mentioning all my fellow Kannadigas also supported me in this complete process. Even they had understood that teaching Kannada and English is not bad and it's not a crime too. So children will understand very quickly and their vocabulary will build very fast and their love towards the language will increase. They feel more confident about the language only when they get to know. So under this motto, this ideology, the Yashaswi Kannada Vaani channel was started, and I'm so happy it's still running very successfully with your all support and love. Now, no need to mention about the amount of messages that I get and your so fruitful warmth wishing to me, even for a teacher's day or any kind of a festivals. Children, they do message me. It's so different feel that a teacher has when they receive this amount of love from their students. And as well as a parent, they call every time they call and they will be very happy to say that they are so happy. And I have also received a call from few parents where immediately they just mentioned that I love you ma'am. So these are the very emotional things, emotional places for me, which had touched me a very, 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 it's very true, and it's a very different feeling that I can just say it. So what is that excited news? So here comes finally the excited news is I have designed and framed a storybook for children. So what's so special in this storybook? Since you have so many storybooks out in the market, so what's so special this book is? This book it is in a different levels. It will start from a level 1. It is till level 4. Till now I have planned for level 4. After that it may go for level 5 and 6 also. So I'm not much I have not yet planned that level 5 and the 6. Till now, the plan 4, level 4 books are planned. And out of that level 4, I now am releasing this level 1 book as an ebook. This is an ebook. This is for level 1, where it will help for the students who are in a beginners and intermediate stage, where they have just learned the alphabets and they know to read and write, And in some places, they know the children, they know the tenses, but they're struggling with to make the sentence and to make the stories. Then this will help them. All these are the 3-line stories. There will be a 32 stories. The special is the story will be in Kannada as well as in English. There will be pictorial representation too. Very simple pictorial representation, simple words, simple sentences. Don't imagine if this, just because of the name of a story, don't imagine that I'm giving a lengthy stories, a paragraph. No, it's only 3-line stories. Only 3-line stories. There are sample stories which will be available at the end of the video. Please, you can go and watch that samples after watching this complete video. You can just go into the end of the video and you can just watch the samples. I've just posted a few samples of the stories. So similar like that, there will be a 32 stories in this ebook with pictorial representation and as well as an English narration of the same, and as well as in Kannada. And the activity, there is activity. You all know that I won't end without giving the activity. You have activity here, children. So after reading these 32 stories and understanding these 32 stories, you have to frame. For example, the first story, it is like a dog, I saw the dog saw the biscuits, dog ate the biscuits, and dog slept. If this is your story, instead of a dog, remove the dog, you will put the cat. In the next, you will remove the cat, then you will put the elephant or lion, anything. So you have already, I have given you the vocabulary in the dictation. Use those vocabularies and you will get the vocabulary of a name of animals or birds or anything. If you don't know the animal names and bird names, you can visit yashaswikannadavaani.com website. I will leave the link in the description. In that you have a blog where you can just read the words and you can get all the words, animal words, plant, bird words, everything in English and Kannada. You can get those words from the yashaswikannadavaani.com, the website. So like that, for one story you have to make 2 stories, right? You will frame the 2 stories. So I have framed the 32 stories. You will be framing 64 stories. Isn't it cool? Yes, you read one story today, then you make 2 stories. You read one story tomorrow, you make 2 stories. So since just like that, within a month, you will be preparing almost 64 stories of your own. Cool, right? So very exciting, and you will learn the language, you will learn the tenses, very good. You will learn the sentence structure, you will learn the vocabulary. So many more things you are going to learn which will build the confidence over the subject, and you will start loving Kannada language. So this is all the idea behind the storybook that I have framed and designed, and this is a very unique way in the market. You don't find these kind of books till now. It is not yet released in the market. This is the first time. Sorry, I couldn't go with the hard book cover because of many complications. If you know any publications who could support this, please do let me know. It will be very helpful for me. Even the children has to learn and with the hard copy, but I'm sorry and I'm helpless, so I couldn't go to the self-publication process, which was a little heavy on my pockets. So if you know any contacts that I can reach that might help out, you can just let me know. So I would really like to try those things. So right now we have an ebook option available. I will leave the description, the link description, where you can go and buy the book. Here are the sample stories. If you are interested in the sample stories, then you can go and purchase the ebook. I'm sorry for the background noise. You can go and purchase the ebook there. So this is all about today's excited news and the announcement of today. I hope you will like this book and you will make use of it, and you will really share with your friends. Do not share directly the story book. Share them a link so that they can see the sample book and they can go and purchase the book. Right? Effort will be valued. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. After this video, you have a sample stories. Please watch the sample stories. Go to the description box. There you have a website link where you will get the vocabulary. Then you have a payment link where you can go, click and purchase the book, and you can start using the book. If you have any disturbances or any problem with the payment page, then please do let me know. I'll help you out with the payment processing. Okay, thank you so much for everything. and I'm so happy for this new milestone from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Soon I will be releasing with a level 2 books. I hope, but by that time you should be covering the 64 stories. You should write the 64 stories and you should show it to me. Thank you so much once again. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.